Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life. And if you're as busy as I am, and I have a feeling you are, there is a good chance you missed one of the new items that we brought out this month. And I don't want you to miss out on anything. Some of it's limited edition. Some of it's gone. Once it's gone forever. And I don't want you to miss out. So sit back, relax, and check out this quick overview just to make sure that you got everything you wanted to get. On your marks, get set. You cannot buy this one. I'm going to show you one you can't even get. It was from our Fold It Club. So our Fold It Club is limited edition. It's exclusive to Fold It Club members. It was this fun potted plant. So if you're in the Fold It Club, woo, you got it, you're safe, don't worry. If you're not in the Fold It Club, I urge you to go sign up so you do not miss out on any other exclusive dies. You cannot buy this on our website, just saying, okay? Then we started out the month with our fun, thoughtful flowers in the water pitcher, which is really fun because there's so many different options to do with the flowers. Here's another one you can do it without the flowers. I also included a stencil. There's solid stamps. There's extra dies so you can use different pictures. Lots of different fun things to do with that. Then here's another example of it. Look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? Fun little vase of flowers. Open this up. Isn't that gorgeous? All those different options. I know, isn't that cool? This is using one of our pop-up dies that are already on our website. So much fun. Now, we also released a brand new Flip It with intricate sides. Look at that. Look how gorgeous those borders are. I absolutely love it. So much fun. Yes, it does come with those die words, wishing you great things in life. Love it. Then we released one of my faves. I think this is the last beautiful butterfly we're coming out with, but I just could not stop. And look at how gorgeous this edge is. So it die cuts like this, and then you get the edge, you get the intricate butterflies to go on top. You also get a lot of words. You're getting "you were meant to soar" and "fly high, beautiful butterfly." I do believe you're getting 2 other word sets too. Here we go. Ooh, stamp set. This was one of the most requested stamp sets. It's all about the family. So we have mom, dad, son, daughter, brother, sister, aunt, uncle, sister-in-law, mother-in-law. We have it all on this stamp set. It also includes the words "blessed to be your," and then you fill in the blank. Look at how awesome that is. "You're the best" also comes with that as well. We also released, for those of you that sell cards at craft fairs or to your friends or at your office or anything like that, we also released a stamp set that if you would like, no requirements, if you would like, you can stamp the back of your card saying it's a Stamps of Life product. We had a lot of people that requested this stamp set because they sell our cards and they want to help promote the Stamps of Life, which we deeply appreciate. So you can get that stamp set as well. We also released our 5x7 stitched puzzle. Let me just tell you, I'm madly, deeply in love with it. In fact, I do believe I grabbed 2 samples to show you because I do not want you to miss out on this one. Our kids are having so much fun with the puzzle that Michelle made. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go check out that video because it's absolutely adorable. It's so cool. Now, here we go. Oh, we also released our purple hologram paper. Now, we also have the pink for a limited time, but look at, some of this is pink. Some of this is pink. There's pink, but here's the purple. Look at this fun hologram paper. Is that just to die for? Look at that. I love that. So that's now available on the website. Then we released our mom set, stamps and a die. Look at how cute that is. Thanks for always being there for me. Happy Mother's Day. Now, those of you that no longer have your moms here on earth, guess what? It also says things like "you are the best mom" for when your daughter or your daughter-in-law becomes a mom. Perfect for that as well. Or "you're like a mom to me," which is also awesome. Here we have this fun border with the fun scallops on the inside. Here it is also with that mom's. Totally different. Look at that. Look how fun those are with that fun frame. I absolutely love it. And you can use the inside of that frame for the inside of your card. Awesome, awesome. Now, if you saw the video where I made this card live on TV or internet or whatever you want to call it, a lot of you ran and jumped on all of our white powdered sugar felt, but you weren't able to get the chunky glitter. Guess what, my friends? It is now available on our website. Go get it quick. It was in one of our kits. We have it in a 10-pack now. Separately, you can now get that to make your cute little carrots. Also, we re-released our, gosh, I can't even remember, Regal stand-up. Look how cute this little Regal stand-up is. He stands up, so fun, with our cute little picnic friend turtle. So adorable. We also released limited edition, the cute little purse die. Look how fun that is. And, oh, I got to show you this. Oh, where is it? Where is it? We also released our wax seals of a little snail and a little bow. Perfect for the front of your little purse. Last but not least, you might have missed this. I did this on a crafting corner. I released these. These are the brush holders. They come in packs of 2. They look like this. They have our logo on the side, and they are perfect to store your brushes. They are perfect to store, let me show you this, are your 3D inks, your glues, your tweezers, your scissors, pretty much anything. They can store them. So now you have a place to put your brushes so they do not contaminate each other, which is really important. You don't want them to contaminate each other. And look at that. They literally you just drop them in there. There's tons of little spaces in there. So fun. Go check it out on the website as well. My friends, it's been a big month. Big month. And you know what? I'm so excited, not only about this month, but the following month. This next month is going to be even more exciting. So buckle your seatbelts, get ready. Here we go. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here, because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.